can only deal with the evidence in front of me.
Right.
And I got not one piece of evidence that supports your side of the story. And I'm not sure that your story is entirely.
You saving that treat for later,
Oh, I'm pretty
Spanky?
sure it's not.
Is that treat for
I mean,
later?
there really is no issue here, because you admit you kicked the car in order to prevent yourself from getting hit by the car.
Right.
Does that make any sense? I kicked the car because I was afraid if I didn't do that first, the car would hit me first. Does that make any sense to you?
It
That
actually
a treat.
harassing me.
No, come
That
on.
a treat
Your position
treat.
is I didn't intentionally do it. But the
Save it
reality
for
is,
later.
you admit hitting the car.
Agreed.
You're a gentleman scorner.
Spanky?
Chasing him, you were pursuing him, you were annoying him, you weren't going.